So a few months ago, um, I was on my computer, like I normally would one night, and then something in my room fell, and then what was weird is it made my computer reset completely. Like it turned off for like a few seconds, and it rebooted, and I was like, "That's really strange. I wonder why that happened." Then the next day, I tried to go back on, and I had blue screen, and it wouldn't let me boot into Windows. And I was like, "That's weird." So this is my hard drive that I used to boot into Windows. Um, since then, I got a new hard drive, and I had to do a complete reinstall of Windows. Um, but I have like this what do you call it? External SATA setup thing here. Um, so I'm like, is it completely dead? What exactly happened? Maybe something internally shifted, which I mean is weird, but isn't out of the question. So I try to power it on here, and then I'm gonna try to go as close as I can to the hard drive and just try to be very quiet. And it makes like a sort of like whirling sound, like when I click the power button, like it's trying to like boot up and whatever, and then it makes like a kind of a weird high pitched sound. I'm gonna put my phone right on top of it, see if it makes that sound. I mean, real quiet here. Here it goes. I'm gonna do it one more time. I can only hear it if I have my ear right up against it, but one more time. Actually, do it one more time here. Yeah, and I don't want to do it too many times because I don't want to damage it further. But if anyone knows, like, if there's any solution to this, if I send it into like a data recovery center or something, if they could do anything, I don't know. There's some stuff I'd like to be recovered, but all right.